Evaluate is a verb. To evaluate something is to judge how good, useful, or successful it is. Here is evaluate used in a sentence. The scientists worked to evaluate which variables had the biggest effect in the experiment. Here, the scientist is trying to determine which of the tests and variables resulted in the most significant change. The word evaluation is a noun. An evaluation of something is the assessment of how well it works or worked. Here is evaluation used in a sentence. The new student had to undergo an evaluation before joining the school, as the counselor was not sure whether he should be placed in the advanced math course. This sentence makes it clear that the school sometimes tests new students in various subjects in order to place them in appropriate classes.